Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today we are diving into the world of cybersecurity with a powerful tool called Burp Shoot. What is Burp Shoot? Now let's get to the basics. What is Burp Shoot? It is like a cybersecurity superhero for your web application. Developed by the folks at Potswigger, it lets us track, examine, and even change requests our browsers make before they reach a faraway server. In simple terms, it's like having a security guard for your online world. Why is Burp Shoot used in cybersecurity? But why do we need Burp Shoot in cybersecurity game? Well, it's a Swiss Army knife for web applications. It helps us crawl website and detect potential threats. And guess what? It even plays well with Chrome browsers, making it super convenient. Getting started with Burp Shoot. Now let's roll up our sleeves and dive into how can you use Burp Shoot. First thing first, you need to install it. If you are on Kali Linux, it's already there. For others, head over to Potswigger's website and grab the community version. Once installed, launch Burp Shoot, choose a temporary project, and voila, you're in. Now let's talk about setting up the Burp Shoot proxy. Think of it like setting up a filter for your internet traffic. We add Foxy proxy to your browser for this, just a few clicks and you are ready to rock. Tools offered by Burp Shoot. Burp Shoot comes packed with tools like Spider, Proxy, Intruder, Repeater, Sequencer, Decoder, Extender, and Scanner. Each tool has a specific superpower from mapping web applications to decoding encrypted messages. Testing with Burp Shoot. Time to put Burp Shoot to the test. Fire up the proxy, intercept requests, and see the magic happen. Burp Suits gives us the power to manipulate requests, ensuring a safer online experience. How to use Burp Shoot for penetration testing. Now let's talk about using Burp Shoot for penetration testing. Making sure your application can stand up to the cyber attacks, Burp Shoot browsers make it very easy to test, and with a few clicks, you are in control. You can intercept, edit, and forward requests effortlessly. Burp Shoot Professionals is your go to superhero in the world of cybersecurity. It's not just for experts, it's user friendly and packs a punch for everyone. From mapping application to actively scanning for threats, Burp Shoot is all in one security solution. Remember, when it comes to IT solutions, Orage Technologies has got your back. From data security to cyber security, we have got it all covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next one.